FLEXLite Plus, Power and Thermal. All FLEXLite Plus models provide auto-switching power supplies that accept 110 to 220 volt AC power sources with 50 to 60 Hz frequency range. Power consumption for FLEXLite Plus cabinets are 130 watts average and 250 watts maximum for each FLPI 3.9 cabinet, 60 watts average and 120 watts maximum for each FLP 6.9 cabinet, 160 watts average and 350 watts maximum for each FLP 8.9 cabinet. FLEXLite Plus cabinet power is daisy-chained. To determine how many cabinets can be on one circuit, we need to first know what the circuit specifications are, as well as the total power requirements of your array. We also need to follow some basic electrical laws and practical common practices. Power equals current multiplied by energy. A more practical way to express this is watts equals amps multiplied by volts. Power circuits will typically have the voltage and current output defined. So what we need to determine is how many watts we need for our LED array and calculate how much current we need. We can then determine how many circuits are required to achieve the amount of current required. Let's look at an example where there are 8 wide by 3 high of the FLP 8.9 cabinets. This is the cabinet that draws the most power in this line. We know that each cabinet has a maximum power requirement of 350 watts. Always work with the maximum when designing your power distribution. We have a total of 24 cabinets multiplied by 350 watts. That equals 8,400 watts. It is recommended to overrate your power requirement. As in real-world scenarios, you will have some loss on your cables, as well as taking into account general overhead to avoid fully tasking your power source. We recommend at minimum a 15% overrating, so in this example, we will use 9,660 watts as our power load. In a case where our power circuits are 120 volts AC, we can then divide that value into the power requirement of 9,660 watts. This gives us a current draw requirement of 80.5 amps. Most 120 volt AC circuits come in a 15 amp or 20 amp configuration. In the case where we have 120 volt AC 15 amp circuits, we would need 6 circuits to provide the power required for this example. In the case of 120 volt AC 20 amp circuits, we would need 4 circuits. To give one more example, if your scenario allows 208 volt AC, your current requirement lowers to 46.4 amps. And if you have 30 amp 208 volt AC circuits, your total circuit count is now 2. FLEXLite Plus cabinets provide daisy-chain power connectivity using true 1 connectors. Each cabinet comes with 1 linking power cable. The mains power cable that connects to your power circuits will be provided with the appropriate plug based on your requirements when you place your order. It is required that you only use power cables provided by Pixelflex. All FLEXLite Plus models are designed to operate in temperature environments ranging from -10 to +50 Celsius, which converts to -14 to +122 degrees Fahrenheit, with relative humidity of 10 to 90%. While the cabinet's heat dissipation is typically nominal in a controlled environment and not a concern, if you are operating the product in high temperatures or the electronics enclosure feels hot, It is recommended that you provide airflow to the back of the cabinet array. If you are unsure about your environmental conditions, please contact FLEXLite to discuss with an applications engineer. FLEXLite Plus cabinets have ingress protection ratings of IP54 for the FLPI 3.9 and IP65 for the FLP 6.9 and 8.9. For more information on the FLEXLite Plus series and other products, please contact sales at pixelflexled.com or call 800-930-7954. There are additional technical videos for the FLEXLite Plus series that include unpacking and packing, floor and hang mount, data wiring, and simple setup for displaying images with our controller products. Videos can be found at pixelflextech.com.